and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I customised my desktop and how I made my desktop wallpaper, which is my 2021 vision board. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to show you how I make my desktop home screen. Oh, I forgot to delete that. Okay, so what I did was I went on Pinterest and got lots of photos. What my desktop is it's basically like all my goals, so then I can constantly see all my goals. So what I did was just search up images relating to the goals. So say the top corner is like a desk, so it's like working hard. The next one's like fashion, I want to get my fashion better. The next one's like traveling, or getting like a better, no, that one's getting a better Instagram. The next one's traveling because that's Amsterdam, and the next one after that's Edinburgh. And the one underneath the first one is journaling, because I want to get into that more. And then reading books, another one down the bottom, which is Italy. That's trying new foods. The next one is getting better sleep schedule. The one next to that is like going on more walks. The one in the direct middle is like getting better friends, like just getting my people. The one next to that is like sorting out my hair, because I have naturally curly hair but it's just a bit of a mess right now. And then we have 10k subscribers, and then just a nice little quote. So yeah, that's what mine is. So I just searched stuff relating to, you know, my goals, and then what I did was, so like the student life, yeah, so it could be like working hard on your uni or college or school. So I just downloaded that. How do I download? Download image, allow, and then I will just save that to my desktop. Move. And then what I do is I go on Canva. This is what I use a lot. I actually learned this from was it Julia Christ? Because I did learn this from her, so yeah, I want to give her credit. So obviously it comes up straight away with desktop wallpaper, so I'm just going to click on that. So we go on uploads, so the other image, and then it should just import. There we go, so we'll just put that there. What else could we do? So like fashion or something. What's, just say indie room or something. Just go with what's trending right now. That's quite cute actually, I like that. So how we're downloading this. And then though you can always like make them different sizes. Usually like I like the layered effect, so I'll have like one on top of another. Yeah, so I can get a few more. What else is trending right now? Say just tattoos or something. Oh, that's quite pretty actually. And yeah, just keep going with this until you've got enough to fill it. You can do different sized images as well, so I'll make this a bit smaller. You don't have to have them all next to each other. You can put them anywhere and just have other ones next to that. But I'm just showing, so I'll just put this behind. Oh wait, no, wait. Clicked on the wrong one. Centre back. So it's just like that. So I'll add a bit of text in. And I'll put it here. Just make this a bit bigger. So you can add text in. So if you go to text, there's like lots of different templates. Different types of like logos and stuff, and you also got this thing called elements, where like this is like logos and stars and cute stuff. So yeah, there's a car going past. I don't know if you can hear. Oh, the snow's on. Oh, someone's doing donuts in the snow. That's great. Oh, all the snow's melted. That's actually so depressing. But yeah, so if you click on a text, say like, I don't know, this one's quite cute actually. This one will come in. Oh, that's very bright. Just delete this one, delete this one. I think that shine's actually pretty cute. Maybe a bit bright, but we'll just go with it. So you can add different text in. Let's add some elements in. Obviously this isn't finished, so it will look a lot better than this. So you've got like a star. You can also change the colours of them as well. So like make this yellow, it can all match up and stuff. Cute. Tarot? How do you even say tarot? Is it tarot? Tarot? I don't know. Any yellow stuff that could look cute. Ooh, I quite like that actually, you know. That's quite cute. So yeah, it doesn't have to be like photos. You can add in like different sort of images, like logos, things like that. Let's keep looking. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this would be really good for a thumbnail. Oh, I love that. That's such a cute little logo. Look how cute. Oh, nice little rainbows. Organic rainbows, that's interesting. Let's go with this one because that's yellow as well. So it'll link up. Should we make this a bit more yellow? Is that too bright? Let's make it a little bit dark. No, I don't want it like that. I want it like... There we go, that can be cute. And then I'll change this colour. It'll be white. No, that's not the one I want. This is the one I want. There we go, it's nice and cute. Like a little rainbow, some little clouds. So you can just add lots of different elements in, add in some text. There's also lots of different styles you can go through, like different colour. I forgot the word for it. It's you know what I mean, like different colour palettes. You can also choose different backgrounds, like if you don't have enough photos to film, there's like little sparse spots in there. You can do, oh, that's actually really pretty. Ooh, sorry. So you click on download, it'll, download, and then it'll do it. Okay, and then to the desktop again. Okay, and then what you want to do, where is it? So what you want to do is, if you click, is it on share? Oh wait, then it says set desktop picture at the bottom. I won't do that because I've already got mine on there, but that's just what you can do. And then the next part is the different icons for the folders. I've left a few out so I can just show you how to do it. But yeah, I'll quickly just delete these photos. So yeah, so I've got some butterflies. The butterflies are off Julia Christ's website. I have this journal thing for my journal prompts. I had another one. Oh, was it the uni stuff? But I had one for my uni stuff, and it just wouldn't work. So if I search, what do I need? What one needs something? Add assignment. Money stuff. Okay, there's one for money, so I'll say money PNG. So it doesn't come up with what you want. Click on like something like icon. That's what I prefer. So if we just say this one, there's two different ways of doing this. So we'll just wait. Sorry. So what we have to do is you click on the folder, you right click and go on get info, and you see up here. So what you can do is you can either, you have to click on it first. So what you can do is you can either drag it on. Mine doesn't work like that. It seems to be not working a lot recently. But another thing is what you can do is you can click on it. If that doesn't work for you, press Command A, Command C, and then click on the logo and click Command V. It still won't work for me, but there you go. It works for a second. I think my laptop is broken a little bit because it doesn't stay. But yeah, that's the two ways of doing it that I know of. So if you go on general, you can actually customise the colours. So I changed mine to orange. I can't remember what the actual colour was. but you can change the accent colour. So like say if you do that, it goes blue, it can go purple, you can do light and dark, and then you can also do like auto, so like it goes with, you know, light during the day and dark during the night, which I think like helps your eyes. So that's all I know how to customise right now. I know it's not a lot, but I am slowly learning more about Macs and things like that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am not a pro at this, definitely not. I did learn everything from Julia Chris, so if you want to check out her channel, I'll have it down below if I remember. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below any ideas that I can maybe make for you guys, maybe more customizable videos or anything. So yeah, and remember to subscribe. So have a nice day and stay safe, and yeah, bye.